In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your hot corners on your Mac. To do this, the first thing we need to do is to click on the Apple logo in the top left hand corner, and then you want to click on System Settings. Once you're in your System Settings app, you want to scroll down and you want to find where it says Desktop and Dock. This is going to give you a lot of desktop settings. However, to change our hot corners, you want to scroll all the way to the very bottom, and then you want to click on the Hot Corners button. This is going to bring up the Hot Corners tab, which will look like this. And this is how I've currently got mine set up. So you want to choose the corner you want to change the behavior for, and in this case I've selected mine to show the desktop, but you can choose a lot of other options here. Now, to give you an example of how this looks, if I drag my mouse over to the corner that I have set up, it will automatically show the desktop and I can interact with the desktop just as I normally would. And if I want to go back to the applications I was looking at, I just want to drag my mouse back into that corner. Now for the bottom left, I've set up a quick note, and the way that works is if I drag my mouse to the bottom left, you'll see the tab of the quick note, and if I click on it, I can quickly write up a note and then get rid of the note. You can do the same with the top right, and again all of the options are the same as well as the top left. Once you're ready, you want to click on Done, and your hot corners are now successfully set up. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.